What it do, YouTube? Back with another one. And tonight we are in a Cadillac CT something. It's a CT something. You'll know by the title of the video what it actually is. I actually just forgot to look at the back of the car to get the full name. But, you know, just cool and chilling. I had a good time with the family, celebrate one of my cousin's birthdays. Oh man, I forgot to turn the mic on. Get that good, get that down. Police just chilling right there. Yeah, man. Hey, it's a question for the fellas. How do you feel if a woman moves on and do better when she move on from you? How do you feel? Me personally, I love to see it. It was like, because of me, you got with a doctor because of me. If it wasn't for me, you'll never got with that doctor. You feel me? Yeah, you'll never got with that neurosciences if it wasn't for you messing with me. Hey man, look at that. Hey, that's a blessing right there that you mess with me. I was the step before that. Yeah, you feel me? Yeah, one thing I don't do, I don't save women and I don't cock block. That's just my MO. I'm so bad with it. I subconsciously never could beat a Super Mario game, because every time I feel like I was getting close to save princesses, I would stop playing the game. And it wouldn't be because I couldn't beat the game. It'll literally be, I don't want to play it no more. Why do I want to save this woman? And I'm so glad I never saved her, because Nintendo came out and said, "Oh, they just good friends." What? He trying to die for the friend? Nah, man. She can die. She doing all that for attention. That's why she keep getting captured. Like, you back in his grasp again? How? How did that happen? I swear cars just be doing the dumbest thing. Like, why didn't you get in the lane to the right if you gonna cut me off? But if I smack them, they ain't gonna put up the right blinker. Like, hey, we want to smack people sometimes. Like, you could have gotten that lane in the first place. You just want, I promise. Hey, if I had real bad road rage, I would have be getting out of the car so much. Hey, hey, partner, knocking on windows and all. Real out east stuff right there. If you know, you know. Then turn on your blinker. That's why I be hating too. Don't want to use their blinker. I ain't trying to read your mind. But man, how y'all day going? I ain't going straight this time. I'm gonna go across another bridge because, yeah, I'll be dang if I ride around this strip road. I had a route in mind, but I was like, oh yeah, that route I was thinking of is strip. I'm gonna take a different route, paper route Empire, RP Young Dolph. Oh. I ain't gonna lie, this Cadillac kind of rides smooth. That Cadillac. I want to say this is a 2010, but hey, this got a lot of the same features as new cars. You got the panorama roof. It don't got Bluetooth in it, but do got auxiliary cord. It got 6 CD changers. So you can put 6 CDs in here. You got heated seats. You got the wood grain. This is for the pimps and the Cadillacs. Up and in the back. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't gonna, you know, just a little quick little ride in the Cadillac. Straight out of Cashville, Nashville, Tennessee. Well, bricks ain't never been Tennessee. God dang. What was right there that they destroyed? Or they just moved some trash right there. Y'all see that? Oh, them are machines. Oh, I thought that was like just rubble. All the machines for the construction. Well, the stadium ain't supposed to be done for another 2 years. That stuff crazy. I believe this the bridge that light up different colors for different world events. I know it was purple and gold when Kobe died. I think they do red, white, and blue for 4th of July. They be doing different stuff, you feel me? Man, pulled over on Labor Day weekend. You know they trying to meet their quota. Oh wow, they ran into it. Sliding through the city. Now, how did we come to a complete stop? Oh, I was going out of town to be doing the most, just park straight. I was going out of town and I was in standstill traffic today for an hour. And I hate Google Maps. I promise to God I hate Google Maps. For some reason, I know a lot of people like they prefer Google Maps over Apple Maps. I don't. For some reason, Google Maps always take me the long way. They don't care about traffic. Look, I ran past 2 exits and Google Maps was like, man, this is the fastest route. I was like, but it's a wreck and it's 2 lanes. And like, you're still on the fastest route. After sitting in traffic for 30 minutes, Apple Maps had another route saying it's a way quicker route than standing still in this traffic. And then, as I got past the standstill, Google Maps tried to take me the long way now to get to the restaurant. Like, the quickest way to stay on the interstate and get off the exit of the interstate, Google Maps was telling me to take an exit 7 exits up, then take the road. And it was like a 10 minutes difference by taking Google Maps way versus Apple Maps. I said, yeah, never again. I'm like, you already put me in a bad position by taking that route. Congratulations, y'all. But yeah, man, Apple Maps over Google Maps. Just that's my personal preference because I just always get the long way with Google, and they don't give me a better direction. Like Apple, they be like, oh, standstill traffic. We're gonna send you this route. No, Google said just keep going straight, keep going. And then when you finally get out of traffic, we're gonna make you take a longer way instead of keep going straight on the interstate and get off at the exact exit that it belongs to. Instead of taking you on back street, it's gonna take you an extra 10 minutes. But yeah, that's my little rant for the day. I'm actually about to get ready to end the video right here. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Godspeed.